got the shoes, got the sneakers, got it on, yeah. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay and today we are doing another thrift with me. So I know I just posted first time thrifting in America, but I filmed that in February and now I am back. So it's the end of April. But anyway, we're here now again and this one will be a bit different. So I'm going to like a thrifted mall, somewhat, thrift mall. It's like not necessarily a mall. My boyfriend told me it was like a mall, but I think it's more like a plaza, like there's a bunch of them together. So basically we're just gonna go and thrift at a bunch of different thrift stores that are all like in the same area. So a lot of them actually close at 5 and it's like 3:30 and I have a bus there. It's like half an hour bus. This always happens to me because I'm a procrastinator. We're gonna do our best to try and hit all of them really quickly at least, and then like there's 2 of them that are open till like 8 or 9, so that's good. Adam's gonna meet us there for Goodwill because he really just wants to go to Goodwill. And yeah, so let's just head on over. Let me show you really quick. Come here, Trudy. This is Trudy. Hi, Trudy. This is my boyfriend's roommate's girlfriend's guinea pig. So she brought her here for a little bit, so we've been bonding. But yeah, this is Trudy. Trudy, Trude. I'm so happy because I miss my cat, so now I got another animal. All right, so without further ado, let's just get on going because we gotta go because we don't got a lot of time because that's my life. We gotta go. Okay, so it's raining and I got off too early on one of my stops, so we're not gonna be able to go to one of the thrift stores because it closes at 5 and it's literally 5, but I'm gonna make it to the one that closed at 5:30 and then the other 2 are a bit later, so we got some time for those. Okay, I'm crossing the road. This is dangerous. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's kind of like older people clothes and it's a bit more expensive, so I'm gonna look around, but I don't know if I'm gonna get anything. We'll see. So that was kind of a bust. It's just like more of a consignment store, so it was a bit more like older lady stuff, kinda. Like it was just like not cute stuff, and it was more expensive. Like a shirt was like $13–14 and it's like, I tried a few things on that were like okay, but then I tried them on and it was like no. So that's okay, we're gonna go to the next one. Hopefully it's a bit more successful. And let's head on there now. It's still raining, but it's okay. Let's head on over. All right, here we go. Better luck this time. Scuba gear. Scuba. Don't see that in Canada. Okay, I just found a pair of Levi's jeans and they're like kids jeans, so hopefully they'll actually fit me. And yeah, so prices in here are way better. They have like a whole 2 floors. Maybe I'll get some nickety knacks, I don't know. Probably not because we don't have room in our suitcases, but yeah. Nice and good prices. These Levi's $4.99. Pretty good. Let's keep looking. Let's do this. Okay, so I actually found that the stuff was really cheap. Like cheap. So good. So I found a bunch of tank tops that I think would look pretty cute, like cropped. So we'll see. And then a bunch of cardigans. So lots to try on. I'm sure some of it will be good. Very good. Good prices. Good. Okay, so I just got so much stuff and I just found out that it's 50% off. So I am so excited because it's already so cheap and then it's 50% off too. Like, are you kidding me? It's so good. Sorry I didn't show anything in the change room. There was just a lot and I had to go through it quick. But we are here now and we did good, so let's go buy them. Okay, it stopped raining. I got all of this. There's so much, and I got it for $26 because it was already such good prices, and then it was 50% off. Like, I got so much for that little. I feel like I was at the outlet. Like, that's how much stuff I got for that little price. So that's great. Like, all the tank tops were like $2, and then I got 50% off. Like, that's crazy. So anyway, that's the tea. All right, next, on to the next one. Actually, we're gonna go eat first. Right, baby? Okay, we're gonna go eat and then go to Goodwill, and that'll be it. All right, see you in a bit. Sections. I've never been here. We only have an hour, so I'm kind of like trying to run around. So he's been here. He knows it, but I haven't. So we'll see. I gotta run around and figure it out. Done at Goodwill. It's 9 p.m. We've been thrifting for a few hours and I'll haul it tomorrow for you guys. We did really good. Like, this is the most I've ever gotten for the price that I paid. That one store, Jubilee, was awesome. So anyway, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day, so let's go through everything that I bought. There was a lot, and I literally spent, I think, $37 on all the stuff that I got yesterday, which is crazy. So let's go through it. So the first place, like you saw, it wasn't really that great. It was like older lady kind of stuff, and so I just didn't end up buying anything. But the next place, Jubilee, was literally so good. That was like the best prices I've ever seen at a thrift store. It's like what thrift store prices should be. So that is very exciting. So let me show you that first. Oh, okay, so this is the stuff I got from Jubilee. I got all this for like $26 because not only were the prices great, but they were also all 50% off, like the whole store for like Easter. So that was great. This video, I'm just gonna go through all the stuff like really fast and not talk about the pieces all exactly. So just so you know, I'm going through it very quickly, but we have a lot more things to go through. So first I got this. It was $2.99, just a black tank top. I'm probably gonna put a little patch on it myself and DIY that. Next, I got this really cute like lingerie kind of tank top piece. It was only $1.99 and again 50% off, so $1. And I thought it was really cute and I really like the red and black of it. Next, I got this tank top, probably gonna crop it, super cute. I just like that style, like looks kind of like Brandy Melville style, you know, just a cute tank to put with jeans. Next I got this one, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bit sparkly, and it's just this teal turquoise color, and I think it is super cute. And this one was $2.99, 50% off, $1.50. pretty good. Oh, and the one right before that, that was $1.99 plus 50% off. All this is 50% off, so I'll just tell you the original price, and then what I paid is half of that. Cool. Next, I actually got a second one of that black tank top. So that's just because maybe I'll crop this one, do something different. They're both really cheap at $2.99. Next, I got this longer sleeve red tank top, or not red tank top, red like button up, quarter button up kind of thing. It was $6.99, but it was 50% off, so $3.50. And I'm definitely gonna like crop it. So that I thought was very cute. Next, I picked this up really quick on my way out, so I didn't even try it on. But this is a just Tommy white t-shirt, and it was literally $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. And you know, just a cute little basic Tommy tee. Okay, next is this really cute little flowy tank top. It was $2.99, so $1.50. And it's just really cute. It fits really nice and super cute for summer. I try to get a bit more summer pieces because I've been buying all sweaters, and it's like, okay, you know, Canada is warming up, so I need to buy some other things. These are biker shorts. Now, I can't tell if these look too much like swimmer shorts, but I kind of was in a rush on the way out, and I just thought they could be fun, so I'm gonna try and make them work. They were only $2.99, so I only paid $1.50 for them. So I was like, let's try to make it work. Next, I got this two-piece set. So it's like a tank top and a cardigan. Here's the tank top. So tank top, cardigan kind of set. I'm definitely gonna probably crop the tank top and then wear that together. I think that will look super cute, and that was $7.99, so I only paid $4 for the set. Not too bad if I say so myself. Next, I'm really happy with these. So I think I said in my last video I never have actually even thrifted Levi jeans, but now I have. So these are silver tab. They're like boy jeans, and they actually don't have the red Levi's tag on the back. They have like a silver one. And yeah, so they just fit my waist like good, and they fit my upper body, like my upper legs good kind of thing, but they're super wide legged, and I think because of that, they would make the perfect shorts. So I'm actually gonna cut them into shorts, and I'm really happy about that. Oh yeah, and those were $4.99, so I paid $2.50 for Levi's jeans. Very nice. The last thing I got is, my boyfriend actually picked this up for me at the very end because he knows I like the fleecy stuff. And this was $5.99, so I paid $3 for it. And this is probably the last fleece I'm gonna buy because it's summer now, but I just thought it was really cute and original because it has like the neon. I'm getting really into the neon. It's super trendy this year, 2019, so I was like, okay, it's pretty cute, I'll get it. So that is all what I got from Jubilee, and I got all this for $26. I thought that was pretty good. It would have been like closer to 60, I guess, but I got all of it because it's all 50% off. Very good. Okay, next we went to Goodwill. I did not get nearly as much stuff here, but they did have the pink tag sale where everything that was a pink tag was $1.79. So I got 3 pink tag things, which is good. So I got this. I think this is honestly kind of like a school uniform, but whatever. I think it's cute. I'll probably crop it. And it was only $1.79 because it's pink tag. Originally they had it at $7.99. And I was just like, it's cute. I really like the colors. I'm gonna get it. And then I got this Nike long sleeve. It was originally $5.99, but it was a pink tag, so $1.79 as well. I might crop it. I might DIY it, upcycle it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, rework it, but we will see with that. And that was cheap, cheap, cheap. Very cheap. Next, my boyfriend found this one, and he was so proud of it. And because it's a Polo Ralph Lauren, and it's pink tag, so it's only $1.79. And it's a really pretty blue quarter zip, and I thought that this would be really cute cropped. And it's super cozy, super soft, so that was a very good find. The next one was this tank top, super Y2K Spice Girl vibes with the pink like London flag in a heart. And I thought this would be really cute, like cropped into a short little crop top. And it was $1.99, so I thought that was a good deal. So I grabbed that. And then the last thing I got from Goodwill was just this white t-shirt, like more structured white t-shirt. It's a basic, you know. It was $1.99, and I might like paint on it, do a print on it. I might just leave it as a basic, I don't know, but I think it's a good idea to have. I can always fix it up. Okay, so that is what I got yesterday at the thrift mall and everything. I also went to Value Village a couple days before that, and I wanted to show you a few of the things I got because they're really original and like really cute and unique, so I'm going to show you guys that as well. So first, I got these 2 like t-shirts that are more like racer t-shirt kind of things. I just like oversized t-shirts that are like car racing related. I don't know, I just like that. So I got this one, and this one was $1.49, so pretty good deal. And then I also got this one, which is like a motorcycle one. I like that it's just like a simple motorcycle on the front, and then the cute in the back, the Orange County choppers. Very cool. This one's a bit more expensive at $4.99, but I thought it would look really cute with like biker shorts as well, and like white chunky sneakers. So I got it. This was Ralph Lauren polo turtleneck, and I haven't really seen this, and I thought this would be really cute. Cropped with some high-waisted jeans. Thought that would be cute, and it was $4.49, so it was pretty good price for polo. Then I also got this. It's like a graphic tee. It's the Black Panther comic book, and I just love like comic book pop art kind of style stuff. So I ended up getting it. It was $3.99, and we're actually going to the Avengers movie tomorrow. We're going on the opening night. It's like the Thursday. We're going to like the midnight premiere kind of thing the day before, so I might wear this with like a turtleneck underneath. Thought that would be cute. Next, I just thought this was like a super cool, unique piece. It was $4.99. It's just a super big like fleece. It's an Umbro. It says Umbro on it, and I just thought the way that everything was placed on it, it looked pretty sick. And it is another fleece, and I know it's not winter anymore, but I think it'll be really cute for like colder summer nights to throw over like shorts or something, because it's so oversized. So yeah. And then one more piece of clothing is this Kodak bomber jacket, which I thought was sick. I just thought this was so unique and like cool, and it was only $5.99, so I thought that was pretty cool, and it has like Kodak logo. It has it on the sleeves and the back, and the gray and black with some good colors. So yeah. And then lastly, I got 2 pairs of sneakers, which are sick. So the first one that I got are these Adidas. They literally didn't even look worn on the sole when I first got them. I've already worn them. But they're just these black, super cool Adidas. This is all like rubber kind of stuff. And I just thought this looked awesome. And I've been wanting like black sneakers, maybe like black Air Force Ones, but I found these instead, and they were $11.99. So that was way cheaper than buying new Air Force Ones. And I thought they were sick. So I definitely got these, and they're black and white and red. Great color combo. I love this color combo. And then I also got these Nikes, and these are LeBrons. So I guess they're kids or women's, I don't know. But I thought they looked sick, and they look so good with like high-waisted mom jeans that are like tight. I just thought they looked so good. And these are pretty sick. So they're white, red, blue. They're also the Olympic ones. So that's kind of like the US Olympic ones. I'm in the US right now. I just thought these were sick and really fun, and they were also $11.99, and I love them. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks so much for coming on another thrift trip with me. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, but let me know if you guys like them, and then I'll keep making them. But yeah, so let me know what was your favorite piece that I got. I'm really curious to know what you guys like. So yeah, let me know, and I will see you guys next Friday for a brand new video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you later, bye!